How to fix Bluetooth could not connect in Windows. For this first step, turn Bluetooth off and on. Go to settings, Bluetooth and device settings. In these, you have seen a Bluetooth setting is there. Click it, turn off and turn on and check. If the problem still remains, then we move on with next step, close it and come to next step, run Bluetooth troubleshooter. For these, click settings, click system settings. In the top side, you have seen system settings. Click it, scroll down and click troubleshoot settings. Click other troubleshoot. Scroll down, you have seen Bluetooth setting is there. Click run and follow the instruction which are given by the troubleshooter. Need to follow the instruction and come to next step, restart Bluetooth services. For this, search for services, click it, click Bluetooth support services. You have seen Bluetooth support services, right click it, click properties and make sure the startup type it should be in automatic or manual is okay, and service status should be in running mode. Make sure it these two settings, click apply and ok, and do it for all the Bluetooth settings. We have three settings, do it for same and restart it. Click yes and restart the Bluetooth services. Once restart complete, after need to close it and come to next step, update Bluetooth drivers. For this, search for device manager, right click it, a device manager page will appear. In this you need to click the Bluetooth, under Bluetooth you need to click and update the Bluetooth. The best drive for your device are already installed. After updating, close it and restart your device. So this is how to fix the issue. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.